Hello 10th graders, this is Mr. Swaim in the counseling office. I've created this scheduling video to help provide an overview of the upcoming scheduling season. The main purpose of this video is to help you get prepared for your upcoming scheduling meeting with your school counselor. During the course of this video, I will review information about summer school, the diploma requirements. I will talk through the core course requirements for junior year. Hopefully, I'll help you create a rough draft copy of your schedule. And finally, at the end, I'll ask you to write down some questions that you might have for your school counselor. Let's jump in. Indiana Online is once again hosting our summer school for online courses. Students may take up to 2 classes for free. These courses will run for 6 weeks long, from June 5th to July 16th. This could be a great way for students to get ahead on credits, retake classes that you didn't pass, or to retake a class that maybe you need to get a higher grade in for the honors diploma. The enrollment does open in mid-January, and you should see your counselor with specific questions about which classes are right for you. You may also find out more information on indianaonline.org. To graduate from high school, each student needs to earn 2 PE credits. One of those credits must be a live credit, and this summer we will be hosting live summer school PE once again. The specific dates and more details will be shared very soon with a registration form being posted online. In previous summers, the course was $135 to enroll. The course will run for 3 weeks long. Traditionally, it's been from 7:30 in the morning to 12:30. And this is important. Students can only miss 10 hours of class time. So if your family is planning on traveling for vacations or other things during the first few weeks of June, this might not be the right fit for you. Once again, we will post the forms online as soon as they're available, and keep in mind that these courses do fill up quickly. So make sure you sign up once those forms are available. Each student here at Fishers High School does have an identified diploma type that they are pursuing. If you're not sure what your diploma type is, make sure you double check with your counselor. But just a quick review of those diploma options. We do have the IB diploma, the capstone diploma, honors diploma, the technical honors diploma, and then the core 40 diploma. More detailed information about the requirements for those diplomas and all of the courses available here at Fishers High School may be found on the course guide. The course guide is available on the counseling portion of the website. So if you go to fishershighschool.hseschools.org, click on counseling, you can find the course guide under the academic advising section. All right, over the next few minutes, I'm going to provide some information about the diploma requirements. I'm not going to read all of the diploma requirements to you, but just rather provide a quick overview. So I'm going to start with the Core 40 diploma. You can see here the information is available online in terms of what the graduation requirements are. This diploma does require 42 credits, and students, again, should have identified that they are pursuing this diploma path with their counselor. Keep in mind, to get this diploma, you do need 8 credits of English, 6 social studies credits, 6 math credits, and 6 science credits. The 1 health credits required, the 2 PE credits, and then there's a combination of electives that are required, 5 credits, and then you do need that business graduation requirement along with other electives totaling 7 other elective credits. When we add all that together, that does equal 42 credits. Some students are pursuing the honors diploma, which is a step up from the Core 40 diploma. The additional requirements for the honors diploma state that you must take an extra year of math, so that would be 8 required math credits. For the honors diploma, you do need foreign language. 6 to 8 credits of foreign language or world language are required. And then you do need 2 fine arts credits for an honors diploma. When we add all that together, it does require 47 credits, so 5 more credits than the Core 40 diploma. The additional requirements also include that students must earn a C- or higher in all courses. If not, you need to retake the course and improve the grade if it's below a C-. Your GPA at the time of graduation must be a 3.0. Like I said earlier, 47 total credits, and then students must complete one of the following options listed on the screen, A through F. So if you're doing the honors diploma, you should really connect with your counselor this year and zero in on which one of those requirements, A, B, C, D, E, or F, which one of those requirements you're going to pursue to meet this additional requirement. So if you're not sure or you haven't made a plan yet, definitely check with your counselor during your meeting. Also want to highlight students who are interested in the IB diploma. Going into junior year is when that officially starts. And so tell your counselor and they will get you connected with our IB coordinator, Mrs. Gabbard, to help come up with a plan to help you earn that IB diploma. All right, we do have a short instructional video on how to type in your classes into Skyward. You guys have done this for a couple years now, but if you need more help, you may find that help on our YouTube page. I've also included that link on how to type classes into Skyward in other resources available for scheduling. All right, let's start talking about a junior schedule and kind of just the core course requirements. Junior year is kind of an exciting year, in my opinion, because there are a lot more choices for students, and that definitely starts with English. Instead of just taking English 9 or English 10, really, you guys have so many options. Your English teachers will talk more about this during their presentations, but please keep in mind that there are two groups of junior English courses. We have column A courses and column B courses. Column A courses are composition focused. That means writing, and you do have to take one class from column A before you graduate from high school. It does not have to be during the junior year. It could be during the senior year if you chose to do so, but column A is a requirement. So keep that in mind as you select your junior English courses. And again, your English teacher, your 10th grade English teacher will provide some more information about what might be the right fit for you during some scheduling presentations next week on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, let's talk through math. For the Core 40, again, as I stated earlier, it's 6 credits are required. For the honors diploma, you need 8 total credits. Each of you may be on a different math journey in terms of your level of math, so keep that in mind. Most students that are entering into junior year are probably taking either Algebra 2 or potentially Pre-Calc. If you are 2 years advanced in math, then you are looking at some upper level math classes. And again, your Pre-Calc teacher will give you some recommendations on what the right fit is for you next. Algebra 2 students that are currently taking Algebra 2, same thing, your Algebra 2 teachers will be sharing some more information about what's the right course for you moving into next year. Okay, for science, both of the main diplomas our students are earning, Core 40 and honors, do require 6 science credits. The great thing about our high school is we offer so many options for classes in general, but especially science classes. As you can see on the screen, there are so many choices available for students. So keep that in mind as you select your junior science options. Talk with your current science teacher and help them. They will help you find the right fit, as well as your counselor. Social studies. No matter the diploma, you do need 6 credits of social studies. Most juniors are probably taking either U.S. history or they have completed AP U.S. history as a sophomore. Keep that in mind. And after that, students should just need a credit of government or econ. So world language, again, for Core 40, it's encouraged but not required. For the honors diploma, it is required that you take 3 years of one language or 2 years of 2 different languages. So keep that in mind as you travel down your path for world language. And on Monday and Tuesday, your world language teacher should provide some additional information about what might be the right fit for you. A quick review on your PE and health credits. Remember, you do need 1 health credit to graduate from high school. In addition to that, you do need 2 physical education credits to graduate. And remember, 1 PE credit must be taken live. Live means in person. So live during the school year or live during the summer. If you are a 10th grader and you have not completed your PE requirements, you really, really, really need to do so. So either get signed up for summer school or meet with your counselor and add it to your schedule for junior year. Let's get that taken care of. Okay. The business graduation requirement in the course guide is outlined. Remember, we need 1 course. Some of those business graduation requirements are 1 semester and some of them are a full year, but lots of really good options. Also want to highlight all the amazing electives that our school offers, coming from performing arts, visual arts. We have different career and technical related courses. The agricultural department here at our high school is awesome. Business, family, consumer science, and other courses. And then also keep in mind that you can take study hall as well. Okay, so to wrap up, I would like to share with you that counselors will be meeting individually with each 10th grader in late January to help you finalize your schedule. We will send out information about how to sign up for that meeting. And when you get that email from your counselor, please just get registered for an appointment so we can meet with you. We want you to come prepared to that meeting. That means thinking about your schedule. That means listening to your teacher presentations next week. That means talking to your parents. And then fill out the scheduling form that's in your hand right now. Please jot down the courses, listen to your teachers. And then next week on Tuesday, you will enter those courses into Skyward. And we'll have a schedule in there for us to think through. Even if you're not sure if that schedule's 100% right or you want to change some things, just enter it into Skyward for us, and then we can adjust during the meeting. Okay, thank you so much for paying attention. I am going to pause here. If there were any questions that were generated from this video, or I didn't explain something well, or I wasn't able to go into detail, please jot that down on your scheduling form now. I know that your counselor would be happy to answer any and all questions. Hope you guys have a great day, and the counseling department is looking forward to meeting with each one of you to talk about your junior year. Take care.